What is Widgetmoji from BeReal app? So that's basically a new feature which went viral, where you can add a widget from BeReal app, and yeah, if you just press and hold any icon on your home screen, click the plus in the top left and select BeReal to add it to your home screen, you'll be able to add a widget similar to viral Locket widget or viral Noted widget. So you will just be able to add that, and then then you just have this widget and you can keep your friends all day with you. And the idea of the BeReal app, for people who don't know, that you need to send one photo every day, 2 minutes, and one notification sent to everyone, like every day, and this app to just capture your moment, what you're doing, and your job is just to submit a photo, what you're doing. And with Widgetmoji widget, you can just add this widget to your home screen, similar to Locket widget, and this photo will be available in your home feed. So something like that. So basically, yeah, something like Noted widget, but you can just tap and hold. On older iPhone, the plus icon is in the top right, not top left, and then you can just tap to add time to BeReal to add this Widgetmoji and add widget. Hope that is helpful.